These simple tips can help you get the most out of your Viaterra tailbag. Whenever using your tailbag, make sure that it is mounted correctly. This includes checking that the bag itself is mounted securely and that all straps are secured safely without any loose ends left hanging. Ensure that no part of the bag is pressed against sharp objects. Be mindful of what you put in the bag as well as what the bag itself is placed against, whether on or off the bike. Keep the tailbag away from hot surfaces, as the silence of your motorcycle can damage the bag severely. Leaving the bag on the bike on a long-term basis could result in fading of the color. So, we recommend removing it from the bike whenever not in use. It's a good idea to periodically examine the tailbag and all mounting straps to check for wear and tear. If you notice any cuts or weakening to any part of the bag or any strap or any damage to the stitching, it may no longer be safe to use it on the motorcycle. In such a situation, you can get in touch with Viaterra's repair team via our website, who will be able to assess the damage and advise you on how best to tackle it. Do not get the bag repaired or altered by any third party, as that will void the warranty. Also, periodically check that the inner liners and auto waterproof cover of your Viaterra tailbag. If you notice any damage, cuts or tears in it, it may be time to replace them. You can order replacement covers or liners for your specific bag on our website. Clean your Viaterra tailbag periodically to keep it ready for its next use. Dust off the mud and dirt from the bag and use a damp cloth to remove anything that requires a little more coaxing. You can also use a soft bristled brush like a soft or extra toothbrush at home to remove dirt, but be mindful while using a harsh brush, as that could damage the materials. Do not use any harsh detergents, bleach, stain removers or other chemical substances on the materials, as this could damage the coatings and materials. Also, do not machine wash or use any other cleaning method other than what is specifically suggested for the relevant product. In terms of storage, ensure that the bag is clean and completely dry before being put into storage. Ideally, place the bag in a plastic cover with holes for some ventilation. Add some silica gel packets for moisture absorption and store the bag in a cool and dry place, away from the sun and other heat sources. Do not fold or roll the bag when storing or stuffing it in a small container, as this could cause damage to the materials and coatings.